Recent leaks have fueled speculation about the imminent release of DJI's latest gadgets, the Neo drone and the Action 5 Pro action camera. This week, a well-known DJI insider, Quadro News, shared a screenshot on X that appears to confirm the launch dates for both devices. Today, we are going to share everything we know about DJI's upcoming drone, the DJI Neo. Let's get started. According to the leak, the DJI Neo, along with its Fly More combo bundles, is set to debut on August 20th, followed by the DJI Action 5 Pro on August 28th. These dates are especially exciting for those in the market for a compact, beginner-friendly drone or a GoPro alternative. The DJI Neo is generating a lot of buzz, as it marks the beginning of a new line of budget-friendly DJI drones. Additional leaks have started to reveal more details about this intriguing new product. A recent post by Jasper Ellens on August 6th indicates that the DJI Neo will offer a flight time of 16 minutes, which aligns with expectations for a drone of its size by comparison. The slightly smaller Rise-Teo offers 13 minutes of flight per charge. The Neo's Fly More combo bundle is rumored to include 3 batteries instead of the usual 2, with a potential price tag of $329. Additionally, there's growing speculation that the Neo will be compatible with FPV headsets like the DJI Goggles 3 for immersive first-person view flying. Another post on X suggests that the Neo's Fly More combo bundle might come with a motion controller, similar to the one included with the DJI Avata 2. Supporting this, a recent post from Quadro News seems to show that the Neo has already appeared in the Goggles 3 setup menu, hinting at a likely integration. If you're considering getting a new drone for social media content or an action camera for your travel adventures, it might be worth holding off for a few weeks to see what these upcoming launches have to offer. The DJI Neo is emerging as a strong competitor to the Hover Air X1, with features like AI subject tracking, 4K ultra-stabilized video, and full-coverage propeller guards, according to earlier leaks. With its compact size and estimated 135 grams weight, the Neo seems ideal for indoor use. However, its budget-friendly price and FPV compatibility could also make it a top choice for beginners looking to have some fun with a drone. On the other hand, DJI has some other models in the pipeline, including the mid-range DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mavic 4, which might be better suited for capturing outdoor aerial videos and photos. The release dates for these drones are still unclear, but according to a post by Quadro News, the Air 3S isn't expected to arrive anytime soon, likely not before September. So, what do you think about the DJI Neo? Let us know in the comments section, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.